Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to check all applications in your Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to the separation, slide up, scroll down and go to the settings. Then scroll down and go to the apps here. And as you see on the app here, we have all apps. So click on it. And from here, you can see every single application which is installing on your phone, and in that case you can choose of every single application and archive, disable it, force stop, or uninstall if the application can be uninstall. In this case, I don't install any of applications, so I can't uninstall any, but you will can. So that's it from I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, or leave subscribe, and see you in my next video. Hey.